Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Toyota Hilux Pickup. This casting is by Matchbox, and I think it's a re-release. They released it before in a different color, but I think this orange looks really good. So I got one. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Toyota Hilux out of its box. Now let's start from the front. So in the front you've got some good details. As you can see, there's a detailed grille with Toyota badge on it. You also got painted headlamps and detailed door grille, which looks really good. You can see the space for fog lamps, but it's not detailed. And also from the front, you can see it got both the mirrors and windshield wipers. You also got a skid plate in the bottom. And if you're hearing a noise in the background, that's my dog. Sorry about that. Now, if you don't know, Hilux is not sold in North America. It's sold in Asian markets and some of the European markets. So that's why it only comes in right and drive. It is for the costing. So this is the driver's side, and the driver's side also gets some good details. You can see there's wheel flares. The tire and wheel combo looks really good, especially this black dot wheel. This with this orange, burst orange color, looks really nice. You also get a side step, and there's no glass in the front window. There's one in the rear, and you can see the interior through here, which is finished in gray. Some details in there. Now, again, you can see the wheel flare on the plastic one on the side too. Looks really good. And a bar on the rear bed, which I don't think you see normally here in North America, but a lot of people in Asian market use this on trucks like these, Isuzu, and a few more. Now let's move to the back. In the back, you've got some good details. As you can see, painted tail lamps, Toyota badge, Hilux badge, Revo badge, which I don't know what it is, maybe a variant. You also got the rear door handle painted black, and step in the back bumper, which is finished in black. And this is the bed. Now coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical, only difference being the fuel filler cap. I do like how they did the cutout here like the actual vehicle. This is how it looks from the top, and this is how it looks from the bottom. So overall, I think it looks really nice for a mainline, and I think it would go really good with other Toyota products from Matchbox. They have a good lineup of Toyota SUVs and cars. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.